The ANAVIA HT-100 is built for demanding flight missions traditionally handled by crewed helicopters, offering the same grade of ISR equipment, cargo operations, and multi-mission payloads, but with a significantly lower investment. It's designed for autonomous flight operations across multiple applications. I think the biggest impacts are rapid collection of data for linear inspection, sovereignty type operations, border protection operations, and shipborne operations. The ANAVIA HT-100 is the world's most advanced, long-range, heavy-lift RPAS helicopter in its class. Maintenance, repair, and overhaul services are fully supported in-country by Canadians for Canadians. AeroVision Canada is the exclusive distributor and in-service support partner of the ANAVIA HT-100, now available in Canada. Visit aerovisioncanada.com to learn more.